What's going on, guys? We got a unboxing today from Creative Labs Pebble version 3. So let's get into it. I just got this in today. What I need? Box cover. Got this in today. So we'll see how it is. Maybe. So not left-handed. May have to sit you guys on the tripod for a bit so I can get this open. There we go. Alright, we got a nice empty box here. Yep. Yeah, ain't nothing in that. We got instructions, a manual, limited warranty. What the hell is that? I'm not sure what that is. Probably instructions, maybe? I don't know. Here's the manual, though. There's another piece of paper inside. Nice, big, beautiful manual. Alright. Sounds good. Alright. So, let's see. And here's the speakers. Got the subwoofer back here in the back. And then, yeah, that looks pretty nice. Looks pretty dope. Pretty dope. I had the original before. Well, I bought it for my grandson, but I had never really used it. It sounded decent. I mean, I tested it out and everything. Got a dongle. That dongle's probably for wireless, I'll have to say. And then right here you got the USB-C, and somewhere along here. Wait, is that for? Hold on. Does this not plug into Oh wow, this doesn't plug into the jack, the audio jack. Oh, that's crazy. So they didn't even give you no option either. I don't know. We'll see how this sounds because I do know USB doesn't really give too much. But that's an adapter. Oh, that's nice. I don't need that though. That can sit right here. I don't know, guys. I guess we'll find out how this sounds. But there it is. This. We'll see if USB-C sounds as good as the audio jack, huh? That's in the next video. Thank you guys for watching my unboxing. I'll see you guys next time.